What's up, people? Once again, it's your boy, the Black Cobra, back with your gadgets, your games, and your gear. Today, I'm talking about 10 great gadget gift ideas for him. So fellas, if there's a girl in your life and she's not sure what to get you, maybe this video's for you. And ladies, if there's a guy in your life and you don't know what to get him, maybe this video is for you. Let's go. So recently, I had a birthday, and I went through this same thing where my wife said, I don't know what to get you. What do I get you? Well, here are some ideas, just a few quick hitter ideas that maybe might appeal to some of you out there. If you're a gadget guy, I definitely think they will. So first up is Black Magic. At least that's what I call it. It's the GoPro Hero 7 Black. This is my favorite little guy right now. This little thing is amazing. It has a lot of features packed into this little tiny case, and it's my #1 gift. Now, these gifts are in no particular order. I just threw them on here, but this right now happens to be probably my newest and my favorite right now out of all the things I'm playing with. So the Hero 7 Black is a waterproof action camera that has 4K 60 frames per second capabilities. Also, 1080p at 240 frames per second. It has built-in hyper smooth in-camera stabilization. It'll do up to 8 times slow motion. It has live streaming capabilities with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth built in. It also does a great time warp feature where it does the time lapses, and it does it with video and using hyper smooth, and it makes it truly buttery smooth. Next up is the Jabra Elite Active 65Ts. I also have to throw in there the Jabra Elite 65Ts. 2 different models, but both just great earbuds. These right now are definitely my favorite earbuds ever made so far. The other ones that I've dealt with, I liked a lot of them, but these are definitely my favorite. Great technology, their connection rate is fantastic. 33 feet is their range, 15 hours of battery life with the case that charges them as well. Crystal clear quality sound using your phone, your cell phone, making actual phone calls through it. And the music itself sounds amazing. You can push and hold the button and you can utilize Siri, you can utilize Alexa, or you can utilize Google if necessary.
Sorry, I'm not sure.
I knew she was gonna do that. Whichever you prefer, they all work with the Jabra Elite 65Ts and Jabra Elite Active 65Ts. Next up is the Zhiyun Smooth 4 cell phone gimbal. Now this thing, as far as gimbals go, is pretty good. It's one of the newer ones out, and it has a whole lot of capabilities and a whole lot of options. Utilizing it to get those time lapses, you can get those moving time lapses. It also allows you to utilize vertigo feature, and you can pull focus and zoom utilizing the dial on the side, the Zhiyun Smooth 4. Next up is the newest iPad Pro. Here we have the 11-inch model, but they also have the 12.9-inch model. It works with the Apple Pencil version 2, which snaps right there and charges, and the keyboard folio case. This thing is amazing. I really don't need to go into what it does. I'm sure you know by now, but definitely the most powerful iPad yet. This little thing is more powerful than many laptops. Next up is the Nintendo Switch. The Switch is the newest and I believe the most portable game system yet. This little thing has the ability to convert, and that's what I love about it. It comes with a dock. You dock it to your television and you play on the TV, and when you're ready to go, you grab it, pull it out, and your game continues on the small screen just like that, and you're ready to go. Also, it converts, you can pull off the controllers from the side, and then that makes it so that you can either set the screen down by itself and you can game, or you can game with someone else. Each one of you can use a controller. This thing has the ability to pull everyone in. I have a 5-member family, and we all just went on a trip recently, and this is the only thing that we took for entertainment, and we were able to utilize this in the airport, on the plane, and at the resort when we got there. This is one of the most versatile multi-person traveling game system I've seen yet. The Nintendo Switch. Next up is the Tech Backpack. Now this backpack here is by Hiker. I'll link it in the description down below. Just like everything else, it has the USB port built in on the side for those of us who have all the gadgets that we carry with us and all the juice that we need. It has the nice protective zipper pocket in the back. It has a padded pocket for your iPad and for your laptop, and many other options. There are several versions of these different tech backpacks that give you charging options on the go. This is just one that I have. There are plenty. This one's a good one, and it doesn't cost too much. Next up is the Canon M50 mirrorless camera. Now it's one of Canon's newest cameras, and because it's the mirrorless line, it's a little smaller than the full frame cameras. It's one of the cameras that a lot of YouTubers are going to because it has the smaller body, has the flip out screen, and it also has 4K capabilities. The Canon M50. Next up is some tech luggage by Raylio. This luggage comes with two, not one, but two USB ports built in to give you more power on the go. Next up is the rug carpet alarm clock mat. This thing is unique and I like the idea. It's a mat that goes beside your bed for those people who have trouble waking up. It has a digital clock built into the mat and an alarm clock that sounds off, so you can wake to music or alarm or ocean sounds, nature sounds if you want. And the alarm will not stop going off until you get out of bed and put your feet on the mat. Next up, for the gamers in your life, new games. Now this option, obviously, it depends on which system, whether you're Xbox, whether you're for the Switch, whether you're for the PlayStation 4, doesn't matter, but new games is another option. Two of the newest right now are Anthem and Division 2. Those are two of the newest options in 2019, but there are many choices for games for the gamer in your life. Now, although I've already gone over 10, there are quite a few honorable mentions that could have been thrown in the category. Battery banks, okay? This one's by Anker. I love these things because there's always a use for backup battery and backup power. Hard wallets. I got a little hard wallet that I keep my credit cards in and my IDs in, and it's protected from RFI intrusion. It's a small hard wallet that you keep in your pocket. Those things are great. Every time I pull it out, someone's asking me, hey, what's that? So that's another good idea. Cell phone lenses. Extra camera lenses for your cell phone. So for those people out there who want to take their cell phone photos just a bit further. Helmet speakers. I saw a couple of these. Small helmets for whatever your favorite team is, but they have a built-in Bluetooth speaker inside. They look great on your desk and they sound great too. The Apple Watch. Now, you know, if you're a tech guy, you got to have some sort of smartwatch. Either the Apple Watch or, you know, Samsung has their versions as well. Definitely the last thing I saw that I wanted to just talk about briefly was the tactical car seat for that gadget guy in your life who's tactically oriented or at least wants to look the part. So there you have it, just a few gadget ideas for the gadget guy in your life. Now I hope that I gave you some option out of all the ones that I talked about. There has to be something that stands out to you. I hope so. Now remember, everything I talked about is linked in the description below the video. As always, you can link everything at under the hashtag Gadgets Games Gear. Again, hashtag Gadgets Games Gear. And all my social media will be listed down below. You can hit me here, you can hit me here, you can hit me here. And as always, come back and join us. If you like the video, click the like button. Please, go ahead. Click the bell so you can get notified when I make a new one. And go ahead and subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Until then, it's your boy ThaBlackCobra with your gadgets, your games, and your gear. Peace. Now I get excited and I love doing this, but I'm a very small channel and I'm on my quest for that first 1,000 subscribers. So if you enjoyed this, please go ahead and share this video with your friends. Have them sign up, have them subscribe, have them join, and have them jump on board.